Hey there. Want a tool to help you define and track your financial goals? Bank of America's Life Plan is a free, built-in feature in their app that helps you budget, save, and plan for your future. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. In the Bank of America mobile app, look for the Life Plan icon. It looks like a roadmap. You'll be prompted to set goals in categories like buy a home, save for retirement, or plan a trip. For each goal, you can set a target amount and date. The tool then tracks your progress, shows how your spending aligns with your goals, and can even suggest next steps. My crucial pro tip? Start with 1 or 2 meaningful goals. Don't try to plan for everything at once. Pick your most pressing short-term goal, like building an emergency fund, and one exciting long-term dream. This makes the tool manageable and motivating. That's how you turn vague wishes into actionable, tracked financial plans. What's one financial goal you're actively working on right now? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on financial planning tools, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.